Well, folks, well, we had a bit of snow. Excuse the wind there. It's starting to get a bit drafty. Yeah. I don't know if you can catch this. About 3 feet high here now. Huh? Shoveling away into the shed. Almost there. Yeah, mountains and mountains of snow. So me and my brother-in-law cleaned away the driveway. It's fire now, and yeah, wicked. A few logs I got there underneath that. Slabs underneath. Yeah, we had 2 days of snow. Wicked, eh? Oh man, oh man, oh man. Got banked in. Shoveled off this now, and yeah, blowed most of it out there. Yeah, it's wicked. Yeah, we had about, for our area, it was called 50 to 80 centimeters. As to 80 centimeters, that's almost 3 feet. Yeah. And I'd say we had about 50 for sure, anyhow. Yeah, 50 easy. The wood, that was all clean the other day. Now, no snow on that, and just gonna salt a few slabs there and pile it up for next year and that, you know. And this year was banked in. Yeah. I wouldn't know snow here at all. It was all gravel. Lovely. Yes, sir. And then now we got Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Supposed to be up to 25 to 35 millimeters of rain. Not going to be the mess, I know. See? I'll get clear of it anyhow. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'll shove my way into the shed there now. I'll get this one there is pretty well open up there too. Might get a skidoo tomorrow for a little rip. She says it drifts in there 7 feet high, 6 feet. I don't know. Stock time, I'd say. For sure. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna do a bit more shoveling now. Nice bit there this mine there, don't know. Got another little parcel in the mail the other day there from Mr. Wells, Darrell Wells. It's my address there. If anybody wants to send me a sticker for the board, there you go, for the Wall of Fame. I'd like to lose it. It's come in the mail there, tore open. I can get this open there now, guys, and I'll get back to you. Well, folks, look at this. Wow, man, he can do some nice work. Handcrafted by Darrell Wells. Different stuff, eh? Yes, sir, buddy. Thanks a million for that. Appreciate that. Couple coasters. Get the sunlight. I get the light off it there. I'll get a good. Oh yeah, that's really, really nice. But thanks a million. Appreciate that. I didn't know this was coming actually. Now I'm gonna make something for you to send back. Yeah, and I gotta get on the go with that. I tried to look for something the other day there and I couldn't find it, but might have another. Well, anyhow, yeah, thanks a million there, Darrell, boy. Appreciate that. Yes, sir. And that's one for me and the wife. Sitting down having our coffee or whatever. Yeah. Yeah, here's some more work that he's done. There's 2 I got there today. Down there I got there last Saturday done with the spinners. Darrell Wells done this. There. And there's some coasters that I got from in a while back. And that's cool, eh? Look at this one. The flying dog, look. We had a dog this back years ago. Man, big old dog there. Oh, nothing for him, big old, well over 100 pound, eh? Yeah. Hey guys, I thought I'd show you that there now, and like I said, now this is gonna be a short video today now, and I ain't gonna have no shed thing tonight. It's some poop there now, and showing all day and snowblower, and just gonna go in now and have a supper, have a shower, and get ready and watch Toronto and Montreal play. That should be a good game. Hey guys, take care and all the best, and we'll see you on the next one.